Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they're worth your hard-earned money. Today, we're checking out the Ferkurn replacement thumb grips cap, compatible with PS5 and PS4 controllers. If you're a gamer, you know how important your controller's comfort and functionality are. Over time, the original thumbsticks can wear out, get sticky, or even become uncomfortable during long gaming sessions. That's where these replacement grips come in. The Ferkurn replacement thumb grips cap is designed to replace the original joystick caps. Not just sit on top of them, which ensures a more secure fit and better performance. These grips are compatible with both PS5 and PS4 controllers, including the PS5 Edge controller. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any tools, so even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you can swap out your old or damaged caps in minutes. Each pack comes with 8 pieces, enough to fully replace the thumbstick caps on a standard controller, providing full restoration of your gaming experience. The material used is soft and comfortable, yet durable enough to resist wear and tear. It also has anti-slip, anti-stickiness, and anti-scratch properties, which means you can play intensely without worrying about losing grip or damaging the joystick surface. The design ensures smooth and precise control, enhancing your overall gaming experience whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or exploring open-world adventures. These grips are available in a variety of colors, allowing you to customize your controller to match your style. The compact design maintains the original feel of your controller while adding that extra layer of protection and comfort. One key advantage of these replacement caps is that they truly replace the worn-out thumbsticks rather than just covering them, which can sometimes feel loose or awkward. Overall, if your controller's thumbsticks are showing signs of wear, or if you simply want a more comfortable and secure grip while gaming, the Ferkurn replacement thumb grips cap is a practical and affordable solution. It's easy to install, improves your control and comfort, and gives your controller a fresh new feel without the need to buy a whole new one. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.